Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're working on waistline. So we're doing lower waistline today, the muffin top area, which is the side hips right here. When you wear tight jeans, it sometimes bulges out. We're getting rid of that. We've got 4 exercises picked out, all body weight. You're gonna need a yoga mat so you're nice and comfortable on the ground. We're gonna be using repetitions for these exercises. And don't forget, if you haven't signed up for the April calendar, after the workout, click the link below and sign up for the calendar. Let's get started. Coming down into this position here, we're going to be using our plank position and stepping from side to side with our legs. We're going to do 3 sets of 10. Make sure that your core is staying nice and tight and you're keeping your plank form perfect as possible. Let's get started. Great job. Give yourself 15 seconds to rest. Go ahead and lie flat on your side here. We're going to do some side crunches here. Bring your arm up. Put your hand on the back of your head. And for this exercise, don't lift the upper body off the ground. You want to lift the lower body off the ground. So you should look like this. So slightly lifting this arm or this shoulder off the ground, but the majority is the legs. If we lift this up, we're working up here, but if we lift this up, we're working right here. So get the legs off the ground. 3 sets of 10. We're gonna work one side first and switch sides. Here we go.
We need to talk.
Great job. Give yourself 15 seconds to rest. Moving into reach unders, we're gonna go ahead and bring our arms. We're going to come into the fire hydrant position, and you're going to take one hand and do a scoop down, and then bring it up and open. Scoop down, up and open. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10 on each side. Let's get started. We're gonna go one side, second side, break. Here we go.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move.
Keep your core tight.
Taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking.
Go. Second side.
Shout it loud, baby, I
Full twist if you can.
maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud 9. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat.
Great job. 10 seconds.
Against the red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud 9. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control. 'Cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control. 'Cause I adore you. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud 9. Baby, I adore you. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control. 'Cause I adore you, adore you.
Great job. Give yourself 15 seconds. All right, guys, for this last workout, we're gonna stay low into the plank position. Here we go, like this, and we're gonna do heart openers. So open it up,
I hate to say it,
come back, and then boom, open it up.
don't scare
Stay low, keep your core nice and tight, form nice and good. Let's get started.
I think I'm falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's true. If you say what you want from me, if you say what you want from me, yeah, I give all that I can to please. I give all that I can to please. I like where it's going, where this is going, like what you're doing. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah, my heart's got a feeling, it's got a feeling like how it's beating. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah.
don't forget to do some cool down exercises. I will lead an abs cool down here on the screen so you can stretch out your waist and your abs. Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe, turn on those notifications so you can work out with me every day. And I'll see you in the cool down. Bye.
Is it true?